Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a face unlock onto your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! First, let's simply head into settings. Then, let's scroll down a little and enter lock screen. Now, go into lock screen and biometric. Let's enter our current password. And now, once we have our normal password set up, we can enter face recognition. As you can see, there is some information about face recognition, like for security, we'll need to enter a pattern, PIN or password as a backup from our face, because our face cannot be used standalone as an unlock method. That face recognition is less secure than other unlock types, because there is just a possibility that someone might be similar to us, or that someone might unlock our device while we are asleep. And that we want to have our face clearly visible. This is incredibly important because every single issue that usually happens later on is related to poor lighting condition, too harsh lighting condition, or some sort of additionals that cover up your face, like glasses, like mask, like weird hair on your face. It's pretty weird. Just make sure that it's just your face, nothing extra. So let's go into continue, and now we want to pick up our device, want to look directly into the camera, and then tilt our head a little bit up, which basically results in full scan of face. So I will hit register, and now I will position my head in frame, though microphone is in the way, so of course I want to just get it out, and now I can position my face inside frame. I can move a little bit upwards, but actually the one I'm now currently... Oh, okay. So you want to basically zoom your face in and just follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. And as you can see now, there is only one very simple thing I want to show you, and it's require open eyes and also brighten screen. Brighten screen will allow you to basically use the face unlock even with poor lighting condition, because the screen itself will be the light itself. Note that this will eat up a little bit of your battery, and also require open eyes, incredibly important for obvious safety reasons. With that, there is no way that somebody will actually unlock your device whenever you are asleep. So now we can lock our device. I can lift it up. I can try to unlock it. Oh, the face doesn't match. Let me try once again. And as you can see, we are unlocked. So now we can swipe to open, and there is no need for us to enter our pattern or lock screen that we have set up. So that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. Anyway, that's all from me. See you next time.